In today's digital landscape, social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses to connect with their customers. With billions of active users across various platforms, social media provides a unique opportunity for businesses to build brand awareness, engage with their audience, and drive sales. One often overlooked aspect of social media marketing is leveraging Google reviews. By effectively utilizing Google reviews, businesses can not only improve their online reputation, but also enhance their social media marketing efforts. Google reviews play a crucial role in social media marketing in several ways. Firstly, positive reviews serve as social proof that builds trust and credibility with potential customers. When users see that a business has consistently high ratings and positive feedback, they are more likely to engage with that business's social media content. Secondly, Google reviews can enhance the visibility of a business's social media profiles. By including links to social media pages in Google reviews, businesses can direct users from Google directly to their social media channels. This cross-promotion not only increases the reach of social media content, but also provides valuable traffic back to the business's website. To effectively leverage Google reviews for social media marketing, businesses should adhere to a few key tips. Firstly, it is crucial to consistently encourage customers to leave reviews. This can be done through in-person interactions, email requests, or social media posts. Secondly, businesses should prioritize responding to all reviews, both positive and negative. Responding to positive reviews demonstrates appreciation for customer feedback, while addressing negative reviews shows that the business values customer satisfaction and is committed to resolving any issues. Additionally, businesses can proactively use positive reviews as social media content by sharing them across various platforms. This showcases positive customer experiences and reinforces the business's reputation. Numerous businesses have successfully integrated Google reviews into their social media marketing strategies. For instance, the restaurant industry has embraced Google reviews to highlight positive dining experiences. Restaurants often share positive reviews on their social media pages, featuring photos of satisfied customers or quotes praising the food and service. In the travel industry, hotels and resorts use Google reviews to showcase the amenities and experiences they offer. By sharing reviews that highlight comfortable accommodations, helpful staff, or picturesque locations, hospitality businesses can entice potential guests to book a stay. By embracing the power of Google reviews, businesses can elevate their social media marketing efforts, build trust with potential customers, and ultimately drive growth. Remember to encourage reviews, respond to feedback, and showcase positive reviews to maximize the impact of Google reviews on your social media presence.